like 94 degrees today. And I just got an idea for the perfect craft. We are going to use plastic tablecloths to make an inflatable water park for our dolls. We also need bubble wrap, paperboard, and tape. I start by taking paperboard boxes, tape one box closed. I'm gonna lay this box on its side. Then I take a second box, make a mark for the height of the box, draw a line from the place marked to the bottom corner. Cut on the lines drawn, tape a piece of paperboard to the front to make a ramp, then tape it to the side of the box. I covered the whole thing with tape. I use duct tape to cover the prints on the box. Use leftover pieces of paperboard to make a second ramp. Now we have the base for our slide. I take a blue plastic table cover, cut a long strip, tape it onto the top. I'm using small amounts of tape, then pulling the plastic slightly to try to get it as smooth as possible. There are a few wrinkles, but that's okay. Take a large piece of cardboard, place the slide in a corner, then sketch out the shape for a pool. Cut on the line drawn, tape the slide into the corner. I'm using a little bit of clear tape and duct tape to secure it. Cover the cardboard with blue plastic, taping it underneath. Use a measuring tape to measure around the slide to know how long we need to make our plastic tubes. I need 19.5 inches to go around the top of mine. So I cut 3-inch wide strips from a teal blue plastic table cover that is 19.5 inches long. Cut bubble wrap into 5-inch strips that are 19.5 inches long. With the bubble side facing up, begin to roll the bubble wrap. Use tape to secure the end to make a plastic tube. Take the plastic table cover, tape one side to the plastic tube, going all the way down. Then roll the plastic to cover the plastic tube. Tape it, going up the ramp, across the top, and down the slide. Make more tubes to cover the rest of the side. Add a tube going around the outer edge. I added 2 layers. Cut strips of pink plastic table cover, wrap it around more bubble wrap to make another plastic tube. Tape this going all the way around the edge for a little splash of color. Cut 13 inches of yellow plastic and 13 inches of bubble wrap. Roll the clear plastic. Use tape to secure. Place it onto the yellow plastic. Tape one of the sides to the bubble wrap, going all the way down. Then roll the plastic around the bubble wrap. It should overlap just a little. Then use more tape. Take green duct tape and pipe cleaners. Cut a piece of the pipe cleaner. Place it in the middle of the duct tape. Fold it over, closing the pipe cleaner on the inside. Trim it at the bottom, leaving a little bit of stickiness on the end. Trim the sides to make the shape of a leaf. Add a few cuts along the edge if you like. I like to cut out small triangles. Then attach the sticky end onto the plastic tube. Make a few more leaves to make a palm tree. Tape it around the slide, then add a few more for decoration. I made a few smaller tubes to place going across the ramp to make a ladder so the dolls can get to the top of the slide, completing our pool. For this project, we used a lot of tape and some of it is visible. I would like to cover some of that up. So I take clear plastic wrap and place it on the blue areas to represent water. Our little water slide is not actually waterproof. There are a lot of holes here where the water can just seep out, and our base is made of cardboard and paperboard. If you would like to try to make it waterproof, I would cover the entire paper base with duct tape first. Then you have to cover each tube with tape to make sure there are no gaps. And even then, you might have a few leaks. So I recommend sticking with plastic wrap and avoiding real water. Thank you for joining us while we made our dolls a water slide. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Blog. And you're done.
Happy crafting!
To give a shout out to Edie Martha 09. What's up? Chloe, look at what I just got for us. A deluxe slip and soak water slide with a ladder.
And how do you plan on climbing the ladder if we turn into mermaids the moment we touch the water?
Ah, good point.
I'm going inside where there's air conditioning.